traders, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. I will look at the daily time frame and explain why I believe the short-term bias is towards the upside. Then I will move to the 1 hour time frame and review the last trading session on Friday, specifically the New York session. After that, I will provide my take profit targets and invalidations. Hopefully this information will be useful to you in the upcoming trading week. On the daily time frame, Bitcoin is currently at the range low, 40,700. If Bitcoin will lose the 40,700 level, then any short-term upside is invalidated, and I will assume that Bitcoin will go lower, initially to 38,500, but possibly to 37,500, this blue gun angle. The reason I believe that Bitcoin will not continue with the correction lower before making a higher low between 44,500 and 44,800 is for two reasons. Firstly, the market is efficient from a liquidity standpoint, and the market maker will not let the late shorters profit from this whole correction to the downside. What he will do instead is first turn Bitcoin around to take out the late shorters at 43 to 2000, then possibly even higher to take out or to recover some of the liquidity from this January 12th candle. After making a higher low, then I think that Bitcoin will continue with this correction lower. Secondly, from a trading psychology perspective, moving Bitcoin higher makes sense because the majority sentiment is bearish. The only point of contention between traders is how low Bitcoin will go, with some favoring the 30K level, others the 33K level, and there are some that still think that Bitcoin is going to zero. This kind of group thinking is fertile soil for reversals. Whenever most traders think a certain way, the market maker will spring his or her surprise and turn things around. Let's move over to the 1 hour time frame. You can see that this is the New York session on Friday. On the 4th hour of trading, the midday reversal came. Bitcoin dropped below 40,700, which was or is the range low, dropped below it, deviated below, created a bullish divergence and a bullish engulfing candle. And overall, in the next 3 or 4 hours of trading, Bitcoin made almost a 5% profit. Currently, Bitcoin is still digesting this move because we are at the weekend, and during the weekend, the institutional traders they are not active in the market. I think that some traders that are sidelined until now begin to have doubts about either the bullish or the bearish scenario they have, and this is why the market is going sideways without a clear direction. I think that the Monday Asian session will show us the way Bitcoin is going to go during the next week. If I am right, then on Monday, Bitcoin will hold the 41,700 level for support and continue higher to 43,200, consolidate below the 43,200 level resistance, continue to 44,500, and then a reversal to the downside. As for invalidation, I already told you a sustained break below 40,700 invalidates any short-term upside scenario. 41,700, the current level, is a first take profit. 43,200 is the second take profit, and 44,500 is the target for this trade. Guys, I know that not all of you follow me on Twitter, and you don't have to, but I shared this analysis in real time, and I hope that some of you took advantage of this trade. It was a high risk trade, and it still is a high risk trade. Okay. Um, that's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.